Hey there, thank you for coming here. I want to take a moment for all of us to imagine what it would be like if everyone's lives were all in balance, about how much better the world would be, about how much better your life could be. Imagine a balanced work life and free time, harmonious connections with family and friends. Imagine also having the ability to adjust to changes and restore balance when major upsets occur. Imagine what that sense of balance might feel like, and then think about how that would affect your life and transform your story. How would it affect your job, your sense of adventure, your intellect, or your desire to leave behind a legacy? Or maybe that sense of balance would mean better stability, or better physical and psychological health. How would these changes affect your character, your relationships and sense of happiness, or your spiritual beliefs? How much more could you do, and what could we become with better balance and working towards our dreams and goals? You, yes you, the person who is watching this video right now, are the reason I am building this. I've created Planogol because I'm trying to change the world one life at a time, starting with you and me because I need these tools too, and then everyone else. I've assembled a team to build Planogol because I believe that we have a process that is working change in my life and others' lives, and I know that we can grow this movement and bring it to more still. But it isn't just individuals. Our system includes team features that will support use by families, small businesses, and nonprofits. What are we building? This web-based software application designed for mobile is going to include a life area assessment and value identifying tools, a targeted dream explorer that matches the areas you want to work on with matching dreams, smart goal guidance and the best parts of project management. You'll get the ability to work with accountability partners, team functions for co-working on dreams and goals, and even the ability to get anonymous feedback from your peers on each life area. I know these tools can help you, and if you believe that we can transform your story and the stories of those you love and care about, please consider funding this project. Even a small amount will show interest and help us grow. Fund at a higher amount, and you can get an early access token to the site when it launches. Join our beta program, snag a Planogol the Platypus Beanie plush, or lifetime accounts. Help us turn this idea into a movement. Thank you for spending a few minutes with us, and let's go achieve some goals.